little boat.
Peppa and her family are going on a picnic.
I love picnics.
Me too.
The picnic spot is on the other side of the river.
Oh, how do we get over? How do we get over there?
We take a little boat. You call it by ringing this bell.
YOLO!
There!
It is Grampy Rabbit in his rowing boat.
Would you like to cross the river?
Yes, please.
Oh, stop, Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig, there's no more room. Oh.
Bye-bye.
Room. Oh. 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 Oh.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Don't worry. I'll come straight back for you. Bye.
Blah, blah, blah.
Come on, George!
Picnic spot. Everybody off.
Thank you, Grampy Rabbit.
Daddy Pig is still waiting to get across the river.
Pig, pig,
Here,
pig.
here are the wolf. Get across the river. Get across the river. Get across the river. Get across the river. Get across the river.
Hello, Mr. Pig.
Here are the wolf family.
What are you doing here?
We're having a picnic. 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 Having a picnic.
What the fuck, say?
Yes, please, Mr. Pig. Pig, 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 pig.
To join us?
Yes, yes, please,
What the fuck, say?
please, Mr. Please, Mr. Pig.
Ah, more passengers. Women and children first. Oh, stop! The boat is full.
Oh.
I'll be straight back for you two.
Bye-bye.
Come on, George!
Hello, Peppa. Hello, Wendy. We're joining your picnic. Oh, goodnick. Oh, goody. Oh, goody. Oh, goody. Oh, goody. Your picnic. In your picnic. In your picnic. In your picnic. Oh, oh, good. Oh, good. Oh, good. Oh, good. Oh, good. Oh, 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 goody.
But where's Daddy Pig?
I left him with Mr. Wolf.
I'm getting a bit hungry.
Don't worry.
Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing.
Hungry. Getting a bit hungry. I'm getting a bit hungry. Getting a bit hungry. Hungry.
Don't worry.
Hungry. Hungry.
Don't worry. Hungry. 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 Don't worry. We've got the picnic. All aboard. Stop, Mr. Wolf. There's not enough room for you.
Oh dear.
I've got an idea. You wait here, Grampy Rabbit, and we'll go over. All right. I could do with the rest.
Mr. Wolf and Mr. Pig are crossing the river together.
Now.
Hooray! We're here.
Hello, Daddy. Where's the picnic?
Oh.
Grampy Rabbit is waiting with the picnic.
I forgot the picnic. You can't have a picnic without a picnic.
Oh, you're right there. What about me, Grumpy Rabbit?
No room, Daddy Pig. I'll come back for you.
It is Mrs. Duck and her friends.
Hello, Mrs. Duck. If you've come for the picnic, you'll have to wait for the little boat, like me. Little boat, like me. Little boat, like little boat, like me. Little boat, like me. Or you could just swim across, like you're doing.
Come on, George!
Here's the picnic hamper, everybody.
Hooray! And here are the ducks. The ducks always turn up when we have picnics.
Would you like some cheese, Grumpy Rabbit?
Well,
Would you like some cheese?
I should really be getting back. Oh, I do love a bit of cheese.
Jelly. I love sandwiches. Jelly.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Blah, blah, blah. I love sandwiches.
They've forgotten me.
2 hours later.
Here's some cake for you, Mrs. Mrs. Duck. Mrs. Duck. Here's some cake. Here's some cake for you, Mrs. Duck. Mrs. Duck. Mrs. Duck. Mrs. Duck. Mrs. Duck. Mrs. Duck. Is cake your favorite? It's